Hello! Let's continue looking at your level of English. Was level A1 too easy for you? Let's look at the next level, A2. I am Miss Carolina and you are watching the English with Us channel. Remember that we are following the guidelines from the Common European Framework of Reference, the CEFR. In this case, level A2, the way stage, an ability to deal with simple, straightforward information and begin to express oneself in familiar contexts. Example: can take part in a routine conversation on simple, predictable topics. Let's look at an email as an example for this level of English, level A2. To Grace Young, date 6 September. Subject: invitation to job interview. Dear Grace, thank you for your application for the position of sales manager. We would like to invite you for an interview at 10 a.m. on Monday, the 21st of September at our offices at the Shard, 32 London Bridge Street, London. You will meet with our head of sales, Susan Park, and the interview will last for about 45 minutes. During this time, you will have the opportunity to find out more about the position and learn more about our company. Please bring your CV and references to the interview. You will also need to show a form of ID at reception to receive a visitor's pass. Please ask for me as soon as you arrive. If you have any questions or if you wish to reschedule, please call me on 555-1234 or email me by September the 12th. I look forward to meeting you. Best regards, Anna Green, Human Resources Assistant. How did you do? You can look at this checklist to know if you are a level A2 English learner. Remember the questions you have to ask yourself? Do I understand 90% of the text? Check. Can I imagine the meaning of the 10% that I don't understand? Check. Can I answer questions about the story? The email? Check. Can I tell the story or this text, this email in my own words? Check. If you marked check on all 4 points, your level is A2. But if this was too easy for you, wait for my next video. We will see level B1. Cheers!